Hello, this is Julieyasar. I'm a realtor working with the Spring, Texas area. Today, I want to talk about mortgage forbearance and the options what you can do. As you may know or may not know that President Trump signed a CARES Act bill, so that gives you some features, some options that about your mortgage payment. One of them is mortgage forbearance. What is mortgage forbearance agreement? When you lose your job or income, it can be struggle to keep your mortgage payment. So right now, due to coronavirus, most people were having time to pay mortgage payment. So homeowners can request mortgage forbearance agreement to stop making payment their mortgage payments temporarily if you are dealing with financial hardship. And with this bill, actually it gives you up to 12 months to stop your payment. How does it work? If you're eligible, your mortgage servicer will provide you with the mortgage forbearance agreement outlining the terms. It includes information about forbearance term, how your payment history will be reported to credit bureau, or how you skip the payments will be repaid once the period ends. So how are you going to apply for it? Basically, you need to call and contact with your service provider. With this act, CARES Act, it includes forbearance options with these features. First, you have right to request 180-day mortgage forbearance and 180-day extension. So up to 12 months. It says 6 months mortgage forbearance, 6 months extension. And waiver of late fees for borrowers with the forbearance agreement, suspensions of late payment reporting to the credit bureau, and more affordable payment options after the forbearance ends. And this actually relief applies to homeowners with conventional loans owned by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, also FHA loan and VA loan, and also USDA loans. Because you'll need to make it, in order to do that, you need to call and make an oral explanation to your service provider, but later they will request some documentation from you. So keep in mind that. And also for this act, if you are late payment and missed payment, they're not gonna notify credit card bureaus as well. What type of forbearance plan you can have? Actually, you have 3 options. One is you can stop payment on a set time and make payments in the lump sum. Let's say you have up to 6 months. Actually, let's say you have a mortgage payment for $2,000 per month. And you can call your mortgage service provider and let them know that you're financial hardship and you're not gonna pay for 6 months, and you will pay at the end of it whole amount. If it's a $2,000, at the 6 months later you're gonna pay $12,000 altogether, and also interest accrues on missed payments. And if you don't like these options, what you can do, which is kind of hard, after 6 months you need to pay whole amount plus interest rate. There's another options. You can reduce your payments for a set time, then pay back payments in the lump sum again. You can say your mortgage service provider or lender, I'm gonna pay, let's say again, $2,000. I can only pay $1,000 per 6 months. So can you do that? And they will say yes, we can do that. But after the 6 months, the remaining balance that you need to pay 6 months, $6,000, you need to pay altogether like a balloon payment, also interest rate occurs. So think about this portion, instead of paying 12,000 altogether, you can pay only 6,000 plus interest rate. Or I like this option altogether, this is the best one for me. Stop payments for set at a time, then add the pause payments to the end of the mortgage. In this way, you don't have no loan, no balloon payment at the end of the forbearance period, and gives you more time to pay back the missed payments. Of course, interest rate will occur. Of course, it will extend the life of the loan and increases the loan of the balance, but still is a good option because you're not gonna pay altogether some amount of money these days. And you can say, what about the escrow account? You have it if you have it. Well, with this period, let's say it's a 6 months again, the lender will continue to make those payments until the forbearance period ends. But at the end of it, probably you will have a shortage. So you and your service provider will need to work together, figure it out how are you gonna pay this amount. Probably they will add the next year payment, divide by 12, and you will pay slowly. And you can say, well, forbearance is not for me. What else I can do? Well, or you can say, in order to be eligible for this mortgage program, you need to be you shouldn't be late. Actually, you need to be do your payment. And if you're late, you can do loan modification. In order to do that, actually, you should be 60 days or more time. You shouldn't pay your mortgage. I mean, if you don't pay for 2 months, you're eligible. Actually, before that, you're not eligible for loan modification. And this allow you to change the original terms of your loan permanently with a mortgage modification. Options may include the terms of your loan, or lowering your rate and reducing your monthly payments. So you can think about this option too if you're late. Or you can say you can do mortgage refinances, and that help you to ease the financial burden if you need a little extra room in your budget. Or let's say you need the money. What you can do, if you have an equity in your home mortgage, you can sell your home and you can move to the renting or living with the family. And another option is short sale. This option allows you to sell your home for less than its market value and ask the lender to forgive the difference. But the lender needs to be agree on that. Before putting the market as a short sale, please speak with your lender and talk with your realtor about it, and then put on the market. Another one is the last option, actually, deed in lieu of foreclosure, also called a cash for keys transaction. And it lets you transfer ownership of your home over to your lender as long as they approve the request. And also, I just want to remind you that be aware of the mortgage relief scams. Some people may call you that, they might say they're calling you mortgage relief organizations or attorney or agency program. Please, please, please never pay upfront for those people over the phone. Never give your personal information like social security number or date of birth, something like that. And if you believe you've been a victim a mortgage relief scam, please contact the Federal Trade Commission. Let's see what they can do for you. So that's it for today. I hope I give you valuable information. And if you have any questions and concerns, please give me a call, or you can email me, and you can visit my website. Either way, if you contact with me, I will be happy to assist you anytime. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my videos channel. Thank you. Bye bye.